Hello and welcome to the 777 Mystery School. I am your High Priestess and Spiritual Educator, Samhain Island, also known as the Raven. And yes, I am the #1 celebrity, hypnotic, occult supreme. For those of you who know me, you've probably been acquainted with me or taken one of my classes or been hypnotized by me, or maybe you've even been initiated by me. Since all the way back to 1996, back in Westchester, California, near the LAX airport, starting at the Temple of Good Things. So for those of you who are new to me, I'm absolutely excited to get to know you and to explore the wonderful world of the occult. And being a celebrity occult practitioner and involved in this lifestyle, I have over 20 plus years of professional education to share with you and give you an opportunity to really understand who you are as a practitioner. So you are probably here because you saw one of my classes or workshops. Maybe you saw one of my lectures on YouTube or one of my ads on Instagram or the other social media platforms. So this is the orientation for the 7 keys to business mastery as a spiritualist. This is also an insight into the other courses and who we are at the 777 Mystery Schools. So get a cup of coffee, maybe a tea, maybe you want a glass of wine, and sit back and relax, and let's talk about magic.